What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be installing this duck bill from Amazon that I bought a long time ago when I first got the car. And these mud flaps from SMY Performance. I'll link the links down below. So they already both paint matches, so yeah, you gotta throw it in the car, tighten the frame. So for the duck bill, all you gotta do is remove all these clips. I believe there's 8 of them. So you gotta take all 8 of them off if you have all 8. So you can take this cover off. Then there's gonna be 2 screws, 2 bolts, whatever. I think it's one right here and another one right here. Then you just gotta pull it off. It has like 3 or 4 clips holding it in place, so yeah. Alright, so as you can see, there's a little screw right there. Let me see it right there. And there's another one right here. Then you got a few clips grabbing it in, like I said, so you just take these off and pull it off. Alright guys, so I'm having a little problem here. The bolt, screw, whatever that's in there is spinning like with the whole thing that's inside the duck bill. So, or spoiler, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. And so yeah, it's not coming out, it's just spinning with the whole thing in there. So try to pry it out with this to see if I can get it. If not, I don't know. Alright guys, finally got it off. It was a pain in the butt to get it off. I had to rip it off. See from right here. Let me see if we can see it. As you can see, I had to rip it off because it did not want to come off from this. This whole thing was spinning, so couldn't screw it off. So I just ripped it off. Not to take that off. So now I'm gonna just grab it with this on the outside and I'm trying my best not to scratch the paint because nobody wants that, right? Let me see. So look at this, guys. Instead of it coming off, it broke. It preferred to break. With the other piece right here. So now I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit with this. Gotta find a rack somewhere and go from there. So catch you guys while I'm doing that. Alright, so it's all cleaned up right now, so I'm gonna just, throw some alcohol in there, take all the chemicals off, any grease or whatever, so the 3M tape can stick there how it's supposed to stick, so yeah. Let's take this out. There it is, guys. Color match and all that. So it does come with the 3M tape for the top and the bottom. Comes with the 3 bolts that you gotta put in. The stock spoiler came with 2, so this one you gotta put 3. I'm gonna show you the 3rd hole, so you guys can know where it's at and stuff. So let's start putting the tape on. As I said, there's both sides. This one, let's see. That right there. This. So about the 3rd hole that I was saying in the middle is that one right there. One bolt going right there, the other one right here, the other one right there, I think it is. And then yeah, the 3M tape, it should be good. Got all the 3M tape on there. It's time to put this bad boy on. So, first one to line it up. Put every screw, like the hole, where it goes. Then you want to come to the bottom. You want to put one of the screws in first. So, it'll be like holding it in place. The 3M tape is still on. So for the 3rd bolt, you will want to put this towel or whatever, in the middle right here. So, it's a little bit uncomfortable to get in there. So you just put a towel there, so the bolt, if it falls, it doesn't go into the trunk. Then you're gonna have that rattle sound everywhere you go. So this is how it's looking. This is the stock one. Huge difference. So yeah. Alright guys, so the kit comes with this. This is the left side, so you gotta put this part back there. You put in the little clip right there to hold it in place. This is just for the 2 bolts to hold the mud flap up right there. So I'm gonna do that, and you guys already know. So there's a little black thing, what I showed on the other side. Put it there, you put the 2 screws in. It has a clip back here that you put it in. It comes with like 4 clips. The one that goes right here, the one that goes right there, the black thing that goes here, and it has like some little metal pieces that you put in the bumper back there, and one on the black piece that's down there. The black piece that holds this screw, because the bumper doesn't reach to down there. So put that little black thing in there for the screw to go in, and other than that, that's it. Pretty easy. There she is. They fit perfect. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to install that real quick. As soon as I got done with that, I ran upstairs. I took a shower because I was sweating. The sweat was dripping down and stuff. I was like, nah, bro. So I ran upstairs, I took a shower, I ate. I laid down a little bit, watched a little bit of TV, and knocked out. But a few minutes ago that I just woke up and decided to do the intro now, because, you know, since I couldn't do it earlier. It was supposed to rain, so there was no sun. It was dark outside. It wasn't dark, but, you know, it was cloudy and stuff, so there wasn't much sun. So I was like, all right, let me get this done before it starts raining. Bro, then that sun came out of nowhere, that 90-degree sun. And that sun was cooking me. I was like, nah. So I stopped recording and I was rushing to get that done. That's why I didn't record much. I apologize for that, but, you know, I did explain a little bit, so, you know. There's a tricky part because it comes with some parts that if you don't know, because there's no instructions that tells you where to put each part, so, you know. But I was playing around with it and I found out, so, you know, I explained my best, you know, I did what I could. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Comment, subscribe, like it, hit that notification button, and yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, and your boy got a haircut too.